I'm a stem cell biologist and an ophthalmologist, and my goal with my career from the very beginning has been to manufacture authentic human photoreceptors to treat patients with retinitis pigmentosa. Retinitis pigmentosa is a broad group of diseases that are genetic, that affect a variety of genes, more than 100, that ultimately lead to the death of cells that are responsible for detecting light in your retina. It's the most common cause of inherited blindness in children. Recently, if you catch one of the rare forms of the disease early enough, there may be a gene therapy that can help you. But for a broad-based therapeutic, there really is nothing out there. Prior to getting the Gunn-Harrington Award, we developed intellectual property that allowed us to efficiently produce photoreceptors from induced pluripotent stem cells as well as embryonic stem cells, but we're concentrating on iPS cells. Along the way of creating these cell types, we also realized that there could be another problem, and that is the delivery mechanism. So how are we going to get these photoreceptors that are very delicate cells and that have a precise orientation? How are we going to get them into the subretinal space in a human patient? And so we developed technology separately to build scaffolds, these microfabricated scaffolds, to seed the photoreceptors in. That itself did not have independent funding to move forward as a product. And so the Foundation Fighting Blindness and the Harrington Discovery Institute recognized that as a very good partnership. And so they've helped us to advance that particular technology, marrying the bioengineering with the photoreceptor cell product and move that forward. And the expertise that they've provided has been invaluable, as well as the monetary support to further develop the product, which we've subsequently refined into something that we're really excited about. Without the Innovation Support Center, we'd probably be dead in the water because we have a lot of momentum for the cell types themselves to create them. But in order to place them into scaffolds and to optimize their delivery, that really was something that was spearheaded by the Innovation Center and the Foundation Fighting Blindness and the Harrington Discovery Institute.